I'm going to work the foot pedal. I'm going to use my hand so that I can get everything in the picture at once. I've put a piece of paper under. There's a lever here to pick up the presser foot. I'm going to put a piece of paper underneath there, and I'm just going to let it fly through there and let it do whatever it's going to do. The main thing is that I want to work my foot pedal. Anyway, it squeaked. It's an old one. Okay, I want it to go slow. If I want it to go faster, I press harder. For corners, going around corners on things that I'm sewing, I like to pump it real easy. And I can kind of turn it. It's hard to do, and I can do it too at a fast speed, but for starting out, it's really good to just, and for precision, it's really good to go slow. We're not in a production factory here, so we can take our time. You have different speeds with one foot pedal. Anyway, I hope that helps. And here's your little lever, and it's good to have something between the feed. There's a little feed here that pulls fabric through. It's good to put a little piece of fabric or something there when you set it down. It helps to keep the teeth from getting dull. Mine are pretty dull. It's an old machine, but it seems to still work. But anyway, you have a wonderful day.